Welcome to Jaya Eduval YouTube channel. Now I'm going to say something about Google Jamboard. Jamboard is an interactive, innovative whiteboard where the teacher can share assignment in the class and allow the students to view and work collaboratively, either individual or in group. It also enriches the brainstorm ideas. Let us have an overview on Jamboard. Now we will take this Google Jamboard from the applications. See here, this is a Jamboard application. It is available in this Google app. If it is not there, then move for Google Play. This Google Play, play.google.com, click here. Type Jamboard. This is the application you have to install here. I have already installed, so it comes there in the Google app. Once you install here, it automatically comes to the Google app. This is the procedure to install. Now we will explore the Google Jamboard. Go for Google Apps, select the Jamboard. This is the home page of Jamboard. If you want to create a new jam, click this plus symbol. A new Jamboard will be created to interact with our students. First of all, give name for this jam. Click here. Okay. There is an option to change the background. There are 6 different backgrounds like dots, rules, squares, graph, blue and chalkboard. Now I am going to choose the squares. The background has been changed. Here we have 6 different applications like pen, eraser, pointer and sticky note, image and laser. Now I move for this pen. Here there are 4 different choices, that is pen, marker, highlighter and brush. You can also choose the color of this. 5 different colors are there. Now I move for this pen. Selecting this red color, I am writing. Okay. Now select this marker and choosing this blue. See here, the only difference is the width of the line. Next, move for this highlighter where we can highlight the important points. There is also another option, that is brush to paint. That's all. The next application is to erase. By using this, we can erase, or else we can clear the frame, clear frame. That's all. Sticky note, click here. Here we can give notes to the students. I am giving comment on this image and save. It will go to the Jamboard. Comment on this page. Here there are 3 different options available in the sticky note, that is to edit, duplicate and delete. If you want, you can edit the content and the color. The content I am changing it as picture. The color I am choosing green now. Just save. It has been saved. I am dragging here. If you want, you can duplicate this sticky note by using this duplicate option, and if you want, you can delete. Okay, this is the feature of the sticky note. Now I am going to insert an image. Click here. We have to select the file by having 4 different choices. That is, we can upload from our device or from Google Image Search or Google Drive or Photos. Now I am going to upload from my device. See here, in this desktop I am taking this image. It is getting upload. Once it is uploading, it will come here. The same option here also available, that is to duplicate. If you want, you can duplicate. Here we can rotate, okay, and drag. This also we can rotate. See here, we can rotate. That's all. Now it's the time to share this Jamboard to our students. See here, this is the share option. Before that, we will see this more action where we can rename this Jamboard, download as a PDF, or a save frame as image, or else remove. If you want, you can also make a copy. Now I am going to share this Jamboard to my students. Giving. Yes. See here, there is an option like viewer and editor. Viewer is the student just view your Jamboard, that's all. And editor option is they can edit and give suggestions or modifications if any. Now I am giving this editor option and sending. For the demo purpose, I have sent to one of my mail. Just I am going to open that. See here, open in Jamboard. Now the Jamboard appears, which we have sent to our student. This is my Jamboard. This is the Jamboard sent to my student. Now I am going to open with this another window, new window. Now I am going to check whether it is working. Whatever all the student edit there, is it getting edit here? Now the student is going to change the color, for example, edit color. If you change the color as pink and same as, automatically it will be changed in my Jamboard. And if he rotates, see here, here also it rotates. And now he is going to give a comment on this picture. Sticky note. In this sticky note, he says that I am safe from corona. Safe. This is the comment given by the student. See here, once I give here, it will be appear in my Jamboard. Now this one I am going to move here. See here, this is what how to work collaboratively with our students with the help of Jamboard. Thank you.